Where do artists get their ideas?
What we're going to make today. Now, a lot of times kids have made these in class, and sometimes I'm like, oh no, we're not going to make them. But today, you're actually going to get to make one. You're going to get a piece of paper somewhere in your house. It could be notebook paper, or it could be printer paper, whatever kind of paper you want. And we're going to make what you call a fortune teller, but we're going to call it an idea catcher, okay? So I'm going to take the rectangle part of this, and I've got to make this into a square. So I am folding this over like this to make a square, okay? See, I have this rectangle over here. I'm going to cut that rectangle off, okay? So now I have a triangle. If I opened it, it would look like a square or two triangles. Now what I'm gonna do, see I've got this line going this way. I'm gonna take the point of this part of the square and I'm gonna fold it this way. Press it down. Now I have 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 triangles, okay? Now I am going to take the corner that is on one of the lines of the triangles, one of the sides of the triangle, and I'm gonna fold it up to the middle, like that. So I have a little triangle right here. Now I'm going to turn my paper around. I'm taking the corner again, where the line is, and I'm going against the line, and I'm folding it up to the middle. Now, I'm turning it around again, folding the corner up to the middle. And I'm doing it one last time. Now I have a square again with 4 triangle flaps, okay? Now, I am going to, here's the side with the flaps. I'm gonna turn it over, and you see how there's a square here, square there? I'm gonna fold the corner to the middle of the square again, like this. So it looks like a triangle again with a line, a fold down, and open down the middle. You want to try to keep them in their space. Don't let them overlap, or it won't open up later on. So I'm keeping turn around. Here's the corner. I'm folding it to the middle corner. Turning it around. Y'all, this is just to be fun. So if it's not perfect, it's okay. And it's in a video, so you can replay it. Now, I've got my 4 triangles again. I'm going to take the whole thing and fold it in half and crease it. And if you've made these before, you know that you stick your fingers in there and you push that way. And you push that way, and it would go like that, okay? But now we're gonna put our art in it. I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do, okay? So turn it back over to where you got the 4 squares right here. I'm gonna get a pen. I'm gonna write red, yellow. I'm writing 4 colors. You do not have to write the same 4 colors as me. Green, blue, So that's what I'm writing on my 4 squares on the outside. Now, on the inside, usually we number it a lot of times. So I'm going to go, wait, hold on, the scaling has. Okay, I'm back. I had to check my numbers. So this one's 7. This one's 8. And this one's going to be 2. Okay, now inside my flaps, I'm going to think of something in my imagination or something I can draw. I can draw, I'm going to say a tiger. I'm going to say a person. I'm going to say flower. I'm going to say a house. So those are what I have inside my idea catcher. So now you can play this game with somebody at your house. You're going to go find a family member, sister, brother, mom, dad, whomever, somebody at your house, grandma, or at daycare. So you got to stay 6 feet away. So, okay. And you're going to say, pick a color. And if they say red, okay, you're going to write down red. See, I'm writing down red here. And then I'm going to go R-E-D. And then I'm going to say, pick a number. And I'm going to say 5. I'm going to write down the number 5. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to say, pick another number. And if you say 8, I'm going to look under the 8. And it says a house. So I'm going to draw 5 red houses. So you can put whatever you want on these tabs, but make it be something that'll help you make some fun imaginary art, okay? This is our idea catcher, okay? Hope you have fun with it. And again, you can rewind the video and play it and stop it if you need to.